Welcome back for our final letters of the alphabet. Woo! We're going to finish the whole alphabet today. Pippa is here for the grand finale. Let's start with U. U is for umbrella. U says, umbrella. Next is V. V is for van. V says, woof. Woof. Van. Van. Here is W. W is for wagon. W says, woo. 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 Wagon. Wagon. Now for X. X is for xylophone. X says, sis. Xylophone. Look, it's Y. Y is for yo-yo. Y says, ya. You. Yo. Yo. Yo-yo. And finally, Z. Z is for zebra. Z says, z. This, zebra. Wow, that's a lot of toys. Let's put them all away. Cubby carefully puts away the umbrella, the van, and wagon. Pippa finds homes for the sis, xylophone, yo-yo, and zebra. We did it! We learned the whole alphabet.
Incredible! We learned U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Join thousands of smart parents. Subscribe to Learn with Cubby Bear on our channel, Cubby Bear the Explorer,